Find features that distinguish it from other brands for dbsono stocking stuffers, portable Bluetooth speaker with color light phone stand. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Stuff joy into stocking stuffers with this holiday surprise. This ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker integrates thoughtful functions into a compact design whether gifted to kids, parents, or your partners. Its cheerful melodies and festive ambience will light up the entire holiday season, making every warm moment shine brighter. This portable speaker perfectly embodies the essence of white elephant gifts. Its compact, minimalist design conceals practical functionality. It's not only a small speaker, but also a phone stand, capable of creating a unique atmosphere with 4 different color lights options. It might seem like a simple gift, but it'll steal the show at every party. From gift swaps to daily use, it's a total win. This portable Bluetooth speaker can be directly attached to the back of a phone and doubles as a handy phone stand for hands-free Christmas movie nights. Switch between 9 colorful light modes with one tap, ignite the party or create a cozy vibe instantly. Compact enough to tuck into any stocking stuffers, it's a 3-in-1 surprise, music, lights, and stand functionality. This waterproof Bluetooth speaker supports dual pairing, allowing you to easily connect 2 speakers for immersive stereo sound that enhances your listening experience. In addition, the surface of this small Bluetooth speaker is coated with nano coating, which can easily handle sports sweat, outdoor light snow, drink spills or kitchen water splashes. Let you enjoy music without interruption when you are at a party, camping, or doing housework. This Bluetooth speaker attaches directly to metal surfaces like refrigerators, ovens, or car doors. It can also serve as a phone holder by attaching to the back of your phone. Included are 2 metal rings, use them if needed for a better fit. Perfect for Christmas parties, baking in the kitchen, or traveling, this speaker lets technology light up the festive atmosphere. Enjoy great sound anytime, anywhere. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, this wireless speaker automatically reconnects to your device when powered on, ensuring stable, uninterrupted transmission. It's compatible with a wide range of devices including Android/iOS phones, tablets, computers, and smartwatches. Whether playing Christmas movies, party music, or warm background tunes, it handles everything seamlessly. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.